Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Coding School. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, you are in the right place. In this channel, we are making educational videos regarding coding concepts with proper example and its explanation. So please watch till end of the video. Till now in last two videos we studied for loop, for each loop and while loop. If you want to see previous two videos, link is given in the description. You can check it out. So let's start with the today's video, and if you understand the concepts, please give like to the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on notification bell so that you never miss an update. This is the syntax of do while loop. As all other types of loop are made up of four parts, do while loop is also made up of four parts that are initialization, statements to be executed, increment or decrement, and condition. Let's see what is the meaning of these terms in detail. A simple do-while loop in Java is same as C++. We can initialize the variable, check condition, and increment or decrement the value. It consists of four parts. First is initialization. It is the initial condition which is executed once when the loop starts. Second is condition. It is the second factor which is executed each time to test the condition of the loop. It continues execution until the condition is false, and it must return boolean value either true or false. Third is statements. The statement of the loop executed each time until the second condition becomes false. Fourth part is increment or decrement. It increments or decrements the variable value. It is an optional condition, but if we don't give this part, loop will run infinitely. Let's write a simple code of do while loop to understand it better. Public static void main string argues int I equals to 1 do system dot out dot println I plus plus while I is less than equals to 5. So let's run the program, and you can see that it prints numbers till 5. Now we will study some key factors of do while loop. So first factor is execution at least once, means in while loop condition is checked before entering the loop, but in case of do while loop it guarantees that the loop body will execute at least once because the condition is checked after the first iteration. Let's check it out whether this statement is true or false. So when I change the condition as I is greater than equals to 5 and run the program, it gives output as single value 1, means it is true that whatever the condition statements in do while loop, it will execute once. Now let's check whether this same logic applies to while loop or not. First I write simple code of while loop. Our program of while loop is ready. Now we will run the program and check the output when the condition is true, and after that we will again run the program and check the output when the condition is false. It gives the correct output. Now I change the condition as I is greater than equals to 10 and run the program. So when I give wrong condition, it doesn't provide any output. Now let's check some other key factors of do while loop. Second key factor is use cases. Do while loop is often used when you need to execute a block of code at least once. such as when you want to process user input or perform some initial setup before checking a condition. Third key factor is loop control. So inside the do while loop body, you can use control statements like break and continue to control the flow of execution, just like in for and while loop. Now we completely studied do while loop and all four types of loops in Java. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Let's meet with another interesting topic in upcoming videos. Till then, keep learning coding.